Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and this case is made by Schnail. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's a Schnail Titan compatible with Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G case. This is the screenless version, so it doesn't have a screen protector. Military grade protection, full body drop with a kickstand. All right, $18.99 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, so here's the box. Pretty simple. Nothing much on the box. Keep pounding. Let's pull this out. All right, so this is a red one. So this is not the black one that I showed in the picture, but same type case, just a different color, right? It's got a little bit of information in there. Let's put this to the side. All right, so here's the case. You got an opening for the camera right there. It's going to be well protected. It's recessed enough to do that. You got your little industrial screws on the corners there, and this is the kickstand. Let's see how easy it is to get out. I don't have any fingernails. This one is kind of hard, but Schnail did say this will wear. It'll get easier to open over time. All right, but we'll get it out in a little bit. And this is the power button, bottom down rockers, open right there. You got grippy sides right there, you can see that. And you got the opening for the charging port that's covered right there. So you can flap, that's a flap to open that up. And you got your speaker and your S Pen grill right there. And your mic right there, all right? Nothing on this side is pretty clean. And you got your mic hole up top, all right? Now, we're gonna go ahead and get this device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Now, this is a two-piece case, and so you're going to separate the case on this corner right here. Normally that's where they have a little gap there where you can put your fingernail and try to get this inner piece out. All right, so now what I do is I take this outer piece here and just put this on first. Put this over the, let's get this plastic off right here. This just tells you where to separate the case at right there. Sorry about that. And so this sits on the top of the case, on top of the device. All right. Then you take this and put it on in the bottom first, and then seat it inside the rubber TPU. All right. So you want to push this in and get everything over the seals on the sides to get this all sealed up. All right. Now that little red insert in the black looks pretty good. I like that. Now you're going to get great screen protection right there on the front, even though you don't have a screen protector. This will not touch the surface if you set it down flat, or even if it falls because it's pretty high. And then you got your opening for your S Pen. You can get to that pretty easily, no problem there. Your speaker, your mic, and then you got your charging port right there. Power button, everything works, no problem. And you got your camera that's well protected. It's all good. All right, mic up top, everything lines up. So this is a good case, and it's not too bulky, you know. Great protection, so you want some confidence. Now, if you put a screen protector on, you're going to have 360-degree screen protector. So this is a good case. It's grippy, no problem there. Let's pull this kickstand out. Let me see if I can get it out. Okay, so it came out. So that wasn't too bad. So it's not too bad. And you pull all the way back and get it locked in the place there. You stand this up in portrait mode. You can use it that way. And you got your landscape mode right there, and you can put it this way if you want, but sort of kickstand, not too bad there, but it'll get easy over time. Let's pull this up and pull this out, get it back into place. It doesn't shake around, you don't hear any shaking, so that's pretty good. But nice grippy case, and you're going to get good protection. It's not too heavy either. It doesn't feel too heavy when you put your when you put this on. So not a bad case. If you're a person that drops your phone a lot, you want good protection, this is going to be good for you. All right, now let's get the wireless charger and put it on there, see how it works. Okay, so we got the wireless charger. Let's go ahead and put it on, see what happens. All right, so it picks up wireless charge, no problem. All right, let's stand it up and see what happens there. And we do that. All right, so wireless charge work when it stands up as well. Let's lay it down in portrait and landscape mode. So I'm not getting a charge in okay, so it did pick up landscape. So you just got to sit it in the right spot and you get to the charging there. So charging works well, no problem. Plus you got that good protection. All right, Now, I don't like thick cases, but this feels good, and it's very reassuring to have this type of case in your hands because it feels good and it's grippy, and you're gonna get good protection. All right, if you drop this, you're gonna have great protection with your device. All right. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Schnail Titan case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Pretty good case, great protection. You can get 360-degree protection when you put your screen protector on, and I recommend this case if you like to have reassurance that when you drop your phone, it's gonna be protected. All right. Now I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, leave it in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ out.